Hello there, this is Miss Maria Zeeshan, and how are you all? So today we are going to learn some interesting features about Google software. And the most important thing, we are going to learn all about Google Slides. So I'm going to introduce first of all, what is Google Slides? So first I will open this. As you can see, I'm going to present my Google slide. First, I'm going to tell you what is actually Google slide. Looks like. So, start presentation. As you can see, here I have my Google slide. So, I'm going to tell you about Google slide. See, as you can see, I'm just pressing enter and the slides are changing. So, yes. So, this is called Google Slides. This is a complete of all the options and features of Google Slides. Slides is Google answer to presentation software. It's fast cloud-based works offline and has some very useful features, especially when tied into G Suites and used in the classrooms. Google Slide is not only also a wonderful suite of tools that enables you to quickly create a presentations that looks professional without wasting any time. This will help you everything you need to know about Google Slides. And you know who have an access on it? Yes, I'm going to tell you about this. Everyone with the G Suites account, but also everyone with the present personal Gmail account has access in Google Slides. So let's go ahead and have a look at just exactly when you can do in Google Slides. The first thing first, let's create a Google slide as I have already shown this. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to tell you how to enter in Google slide. So I'm going to tell you first that how to enter in Google slide. There are many options to enter in Google slides, but I'm going to tell you only two options. So first, you can see if you will open your Chrome, here we have one box over here. If you will click, you can see many things, or you can drag it down, and here it is slides. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on slides. Okay, this is the first way. Okay, so what we are going to do here, my saved presentations are already here, and here I have a blank. So I'm going to select a blank. So this is my new slide. See, this is the way to enter into a new slide. And the next way is click over here. Okay, and just remove all and write slides dot new. Okay, so enter. So if you, it is a very simple way, slides dot new. So you can see we have two options to enter in Google Slides. Okay, so first I'm going to tell you how to add slides. Okay, how to add several your presentation. Here we have only one slide. So I'm going to add a new slide by clicking over here. You can see the new slide is over here. Now you can add several like this, 3 or 4. And what you have to do first, you have to name your presentation. So you have to name your presentation first thing. So I'm going to name it, or maybe facts about an octopus. Okay, so this is my presentation name. You can maybe choose some other name, whatever you want. So facts about an octopus. In the last, we are going to save it. First, I'm going to tell you, we have already named it. Now I'm going to tell you first thing, how to add text in your slide. So as you can see here, I have a text box already here. If you are going to click on the text box, Here we have another text box. I don't need another text box, so I'm going to select it and press the delete button. So see, it's disappeared. Now I'm going to write some title, the same thing, facts about an enter an octopus. Okay, so now how you are going to change the font? Select it, and then here we have for different types of fonts. So we are going to select Comic Sans MS, or you can choose any other, or then I'm going to select bold. There are many different features. Now, if you want to change the text box color, so what you are going to do, go over here, fill the color. So I'm going to select yellow, and I'm going to drag it in the middle and drop it. See, this is my first slide, facts about an octopus. So what I'm going to do next, yes, I'm going to make my slides more interesting. For that, I'm going to change the background of the slide. So if I will click on this empty space over here, this will appear and you can change the background. So I'm going to select the background color. I will choose purple. Now done. Okay, my first slide is ready. So here we have already learned how to rename your presentation and how to add different slides in your presentation. Now next thing I will tell you how to add picture. Okay, how to add picture. So I'm going to click on the text box and delete it first, because I wanted to add a picture over here. So for that, first we are going to go in insert, and I will choose image, and I will choose this option, search the web. It is very easy option if you have internet, so you can choose this option. So octopus clip art. Let's see, and I will choose the picture and insert it. Select on the picture and insert it. So as you can see, this will appear on your slide. The picture will automatically appear on your slide. So what you're going to do, click on explore. If you will click on explore, they will show you different themes of your slide, different layout of your slide. This is a very wonderful option. I love this option actually. Okay, so I'm going to select this one maybe. This looks nice. And now I'm going to tell you the next thing, that how to insert animation in your picture. So are you ready? We can insert in text as well. Okay, so I am going to insert animation in my picture. So for that, I'm going to right click. Now you can see the options will appear. So this is the option, animate. So we are going to click on animate. Now I'm going to choose fly in from bottom. Now what we have with previous. Okay, now animation has been added. As you can see in number one, there is no animation, so no sign of animation. And here we have added animation, so you can see this is going to appear on your slide. So let's begin. Play the animation. Here you go. Okay, and now we are going to add animation in our text. Let's add, maybe in text box. So I'm going to select again, right click, and then animate. Now I'm going to select some other thing, maybe zoom in, and on click you want to how you're going to make your animation to be appear. You want to click and then it will appear, or you want it automatically. Maybe I feel we will choose the after previous. Okay, let's play it. Wonderful. Okay, so this is the way to add animation in your font, and this is the way to add animation in your picture. You have learned how to add background color, how to add color, how to fill color in your text box, and how to add insert picture. Now I have one very important and interesting thing. Do you want to learn? Yes, I'm going to show you how to add video from YouTube. Are you ready? Yeah, it seems interesting. So let's add. We are going to click on insert and we are going to click on video. Now let's see YouTube. So I'm going to write maybe short clip on an octopus. The first one maybe that is too short. Okay, and select. So I'm going to select it. Now drag it and drop it over here. Now, if you want to change the time, if you want to make it more small, so what you're going to do, start from 00 seconds and make it a very short, like maybe 10 seconds. Yes. Okay, so you can change the time. And if you want to mute audio, you can mute. That's all. See, if you want to change the background, same as you have changed, we have changed in first slide. So we are going to change the background. Done. So as you can see, it's here. Now I'm ready to present my presentation. We have learned very different new and different things in our Google Slides, and you will not believe we have many more features in it, but I don't have enough time, so I will teach you in next class, no worries, but I'm going to save it. So now I'm going to present this presentation. See, this I have added a picture, and then I have added a video too. So this is your creative, wonderful slide. So I want you to make some very interesting slide. I know you can make better than this. I want you to make it and share it with me. So I'll go back, and I have already saved this slide, Google slide presentation, in my folder. So here, Google slide presentation in Maria's presentation, because my name is Maria, so I have made a folder in my drive in which I have saved my presentations. So you can move it over here, like this one, new, this one, move to pictures. I can move to pictures. Okay, so this one is saved in my pictures. So if you want to share your presentation, this is already saved. Now you can share from here. You can share, make a now it will automatically turn into a link, so you anyone on the in the internet with this link can view it. So this is very important. Then you copy link, and then you can paste it in your Gmail, in your classroom, or maybe in your WhatsApp. If you want to share this presentation, this is the way to share the Google Slides presentation. I hope you enjoyed my session. Thank you so much. See you next time.